Hello guys, in this video I will show how to create a duplicate of your Excel workbook. So guys, if you have any workbook like this one, open it and you need to create a duplicate for this workbook. So guys, fastest and easy way to create and to make a duplicate workbook for your Excel, click on file, then click on save as. Now here click on browse and select the location like desktop. Here I will give the tag duplicate and save it. Now here we can see two files. This is the original and this is the duplicate. Now open duplicate. Now view and compare both. So guys, this is the original and this is the duplicate. You can compare both. So this is the way guys you can create and to make a duplicate for your Excel data and workbook. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.